let's try to turn the microphone on. What I want to talk about in this video is Starlink. We've had 3 heavy rainstorms. The last 3 that we've had here at the studio, for some reason, it has knocked out the Starlink internet completely, 100%. Show you a screen here. As you can see, it cannot get to the internet. I have it pinging to 8.8.8.8.8, and it cannot get there. I've had many rainstorms, heavier than what we've had the last 3 times, and it did not knock out the internet completely. Of course, it slowed it down. I mean, I was still getting speeds around 15, 20 down and 5 or 6 up with no issues. It was pouring down rain, lightning. I mean, to the point where I thought lightning might strike it because it is on a 20-foot metal tower. And that's what I was main concerned about. But now, the last 3 heavy storms that we've got, it's knocked it out completely. I have told it to stow away, uninstall, no good. I told it to reboot the system, no good. I've done everything except reset the whole system. But this is not looking good for Starlink. Nothing's changed on my end. The Starlink dish is in the same location that it's been since I've gotten it replaced, up on a 20-foot tower. I have even taken it and told it to stow away, and I twisted it, turned the pole, so it would have to recalculate to the right direction to get to the satellites. That was after the first heavy rain when it knocked it out completely. And I thought maybe it just lost its alignment or something. I mean, I was pretty much guessing at what it could be. I was trying everything possible that I physically could do, physically or electronically, digitally, whatever, you know, reset everything. Only thing I haven't done is reset the whole thing back to factory. That's the only thing I haven't done. But this is not looking good for it to knock it out completely. I'm going to send them a notification about it and see if they're having that issue. Maybe they changed frequency a little bit or something. I don't know. Or there's the satellites is not as many satellites in this area right now. And it just happened to be, you know, a coincidence that, you know, rainstorm and less satellites to connect to. I don't know, but I'm going to report it and see what they say. But it is kind of putting a damper on things, literally, because I can't watch, I can't upload. Now, I do have a backup internet, but it's slightly, just a little bit faster than DSL. It's CenturyLink, and it's pretty much the lowest they have. That's all they can give me. They say 10 megabits. Yeah, 10 megabits per second download. No, don't even get that. It's supposed to be 10 megabits per second download and 0.7 megabits upload. Try to upload a video on that. If it's more than 4 minutes long, pretty much you say upload and come back 24 hours later. But it is not even hesitating, like trying to get online and then bump back off. It's offline, period. Done. I got the Starlink dishy interface on this screen. It shows offline with a little red dot. It says searching, 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 like it can't find the satellites, which I've never had that issue before. Rain, shine, it don't matter. I've never had that issue. I never had a storm come through here since I've had Starlink, except the last 3 times we have rainstorm to actually knock it out completely. I can see it slowing up. It's done that. But the last 3, it's knocked it out completely. It's being very consistent of being offline. So I don't know why it's doing it. But I don't know. We'll see. I'll keep you posted. Maybe you're having the same issue. If you do, leave it in the comments below saying, that it seems to be getting more sluggish or completely disconnected when it rains. I don't know why. I haven't heard anybody else say, in videos about that. But when I do get internet back through Starlink, I do have internet, like I said, with another connection. But when I get internet back on Starlink, I'm going to go search YouTube and see if anybody else is having the same issue. Maybe it's something, it's not just isolated to mine. It might be across the board, possibly. I don't know. But I've never had this happen except the last 3 rainstorms, including this one. And from looks of things, I looked at the radar right before it disconnected because I heard the rain hitting the roof and see what the projecting of rain and cloud cover for my area, and it says it's going to be that way for the next 3 hours. That's until about 7 o'clock is what it's indicating. So we'll see if it's going to keep me offline till then or not. But hopefully, if it's something on their end that they need to fix, hopefully they fix it soon, because this is ridiculous. This should not be knocked off. As low as the satellites are in the orbit, this should not be an issue on the frequency that they actually are using. And for some reason, it's doing it now, and it didn't do it in the past. So unless they change something serious is going on, and it's not good. But if I find something from Starlink, if they reply back with something that indicates what the issue is, I'll let you know. Take care. And don't forget to